After a beautiful concert, a lady rushed up to the pianist and gushed, "I'd give anything to play as you do." When the pianist replied, "Oh, no. You wouldn't," a hush fell over the group. Trying again, the lady said, "I would to give anything to play piano as you do." "No, you wouldn't. If you would, you could as well, possibly a little better than I do. You would give anything to play as I do except time. Except the one thing it takes to accomplish the task. You wouldn't sit and practice, hour after hour, day after day, year after year." Then she flashed a warm smile. "Understand," she said, "I'm not criticizing," she said. "I'm just telling you that when you say you'd give anything to play as I do, you don't really mean it." This story is quote from the book, How to Make a Habit of Succeeding, by Mack R. There are things in this world that cannot be obtained, no matter how much money is spent. These are things that can only be achieved through a long period of practice.